The first thing we're going to do is open the box. To do this, you will need a pair of scissors or some other sharp object to cut the tape. And just like that, we have the box open. All right, so the first thing you'll see is this paper document here. So this big sheet kind of walks you through the initial setup. So it tells you everything you'll need to do that we're gonna walk through in this video, so you'll have that as a reference for you. The next thing we'll see here is this. This box here contains the Motus Hand. We'll set that aside for now and then open it up in just a bit. The next item is this purple folder here. So this contains all of your documentation with setup and further information, things to share with social media, and where you might need to go for support. We'll set that aside for future reference. Next, we're going to remove the top piece of foam that protects the screen. We can just set that aside. You'll need to keep all of the foam for your return packaging. And the last item we're going to remove is the Motus screen itself. It's important to grab it by the handle and lift from that point, like so. And then you'll want to have a table or someplace safe to set it so that we can use that for the next steps. And you'll notice that once you've got everything out of the box, you'll see a big stop sign sticker telling you to keep your packaging. It's very important you keep the foam in the box for your return shipment once you've completed your therapy with the Motus Hand. Remember that Motus Hand box we set aside for later? Well, now is later. Grab your Motus Hand box. We'll set it on our lap here. We'll need the scissors, and we'll cut this one piece of tape. Open it up. You'll retrieve the Motus Hand controller. And there's one last thing we need to grab from this hand box, and that is this foam ramp or pad that you will be able to use to rest your arm on while you're doing therapy with the Motus Hand. Now that we've got everything unpacked, we can set our box aside. We'll want to keep the Motus screen, the Motus Hand, and the foam pad all in a place where you'll end up doing your therapy.